Understanding and Healing CPTSD, your step-by-step therapy guide. Many people are familiar with PTSD, which can develop after a single traumatic event. But what about the effects of ongoing, repeated trauma? This can lead to a related but distinct condition called complex post-traumatic stress disorder, or CPTSD. Today, we're going to explore what CPTSD is and provide a detailed step-by-step guide to the therapeutic process. Part 1. What is CPTSD? Beyond single-event trauma. CPTSD develops from prolonged or repeated traumatic experiences. Think of ongoing emotional, physical, or sexual abuse, neglect, or domestic violence. While sharing some symptoms with PTSD, CPTSD also involves deeper, more pervasive impacts on the self. Part 2. The core symptoms of CPTSD. These symptoms can significantly impact daily life, affecting relationships, work, and overall well-being. It's important to remember that these are not character flaws but rather survival mechanisms developed in response to ongoing threat. Part 3. Step-by-step therapy for healing CPTSD. Healing from CPTSD is a journey that often involves several key stages in therapy. While the exact path varies for everyone, here's a general step-by-step guide. Step 1. Establishing safety and stabilization. The initial focus is on creating a sense of safety, both internally and externally. This involves developing coping skills to manage overwhelming emotions, reduce dissociation, and address immediate safety concerns. Techniques like grounding exercises, mindfulness, and psychoeducation about trauma responses are crucial. Finding a therapist you trust and feel safe with is paramount. Step 2. Trauma processing and memory work. Once a degree of stability is achieved, the therapy can move towards processing traumatic memories in a safe and controlled way. This might involve techniques like EMDR, eye movement desensitization and reprocessing, trauma-focused cognitive behavioral therapy, TFCBT, or narrative therapy. The goal is to integrate these fragmented memories and reduce their emotional intensity. This stage requires patience and a strong therapeutic relationship. Step 3. Reconnecting with the self and others. As trauma processing progresses, the focus shifts to rebuilding a positive self-perception, fostering healthy relationships, and developing a stronger sense of identity. This involves addressing the internalized negative beliefs and learning new ways of relating to others based on trust and mutual respect. Group therapy can be particularly beneficial during this stage, providing a supportive community. Step 4. Integration and moving forward. The final stage involves integrating the healing into daily life, developing resilience, and setting future goals. It's about learning to live in the present without being constantly defined by the past. This includes developing healthy coping mechanisms for stress, practicing self-compassion, and building a life that feels meaningful and fulfilling. Healing from CPTSD is a challenging but ultimately transformative process. Remember to be patient with yourself, celebrate small victories, and trust in your inner strength. If this resonated with you, please like this video and share it with others who might find it helpful. Subscribe for more insights into trauma, healing, and mental well-being.